So we move on with our program. You know, ladies and gentlemen, when you're running an organization like the JAHJAH Foundation, there are many persons who work behind the scenes, and they're the ones, the unsung heroes, who help to pull this off. Some of them are in front of the camera, some of them are behind the camera. Our next awardee is Mr. Garvin Gray. And I'm going to invite Dr. Jackie McLean to do the presentation to Mr. Garvin Gray.
Please, this is the most important part of this ceremony, is to honor people who either service to others like Dr. Pitter, or people like this gentleman here, Mr. Garvin Gray, who gives so selflessly to the JAHJAH Foundation without charging a penny.
Confidence in God always is the mantra of the altruistic and very knowledgeable Garvin G. Gray, who was born in Buff Bay, Portland, Jamaica. Garvin attended Titchfield High School in Port Antonio and proceeded to obtain a Bachelor of Science in Management Studies at the University of West Indies, Mona in Kingston, Jamaica. He's additionally accredited with an MBA in Management and Business Strategy and Global Business from Rutgers Business School in New Jersey. Garvin epitomizes benevolence and is a consummate humanitarian. His torch burns with a passionate flame for human interests, with a keen focus on Jamaica. He is the solitary powerhouse behind the camera, unleashing a compilation of creative ideas that filter their way through the prism of his mind and radiate in a bedazzling array of 13 multimedia channels, including Bonita Jamaica, Bonita Jamaica Films, Jamaica Diaspora New York, Bon Jam TV, FET TV, Revenge Fashion Magazine, Revenge TV, Revenge Fashion TV, Sikkim, Godworks, Positive Highlights, Gray Privé, and Dance Hall Reggae Fans Worldwide. These bodies of work illuminate the spotlight on positive individuals and community groups who would otherwise be overlooked by mainstream media, affording them a visual shot at success. Garvin and his camera captures and streams to the world positive images that emphasizes beauty and uniqueness of Jamaican culture. That being said, it was clearly not an accident when Dr. Dixon and Garvin's paths crossed at a Jamaican consulate meeting some years ago. Dr. Dixon was awed and inspired by the defiance and passion Garvin displayed for showcasing Jamaica via positive media. Both were able to forge a partnership going forward, establishing Garvin as the media strategist for JAHJAH Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to present the Outstanding Service Award to Mr. Garvin Gray.
Before he takes the mic, I have to say a few words to my brother here. You know, Garvin and I met at the Jamaica Consulate, where there were a lot of UJOs there, you know, Team Jamaica people, all the Jamaican organization that was situated, you know, at the consulate. And he was very outspoken, and I could see his passion and his love for Jamaica. I got to know him on a personal level, and I must say that, you know, he's an incredible guy, you know. I sit with him, you know, the most important thing in having a foundation, I believe, is transparency. You know, we know that there's so many organizations out there doing great work. But you know, you can't know what an organization is doing unless you can see what they're doing. And Garvin and I, we make sure that the images that JAHJAH Foundation is doing is out there so you can see. So when you sit here and we collect your money, you know your money's not, it's not a joke. Okay? So we try to create images so you can see what's going on. Okay? We don't have the best galas like some of them do. I know we don't, you know? And sometimes it's a little disorganized because we're not used to doing this, you know? But we know we love Jamaica, and we know we fight for Jamaica. And with you guys on board, and with your patience, we will get this. We sell raffle tickets. We don't like to bug you, but we sell them because we have a lot of work to do in Jamaica, and we're far behind. And we can't depend on government because we are the government. So Garvin, take it away. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say that I'm very honored and humbled by this award. It is a surprise. I did not know I was getting an award. If Dr. Dixon had asked me my permission to collect an award,
You would have said no.
I would have said no. He knows it. He knows me well. So I would like to thank the JAHJAH Foundation for recognizing me. I do not do this work for any recognition. I think it's my duty as a Jamaican to try to do what I can to give back to the country. We are the fortunate ones, and the fortunate in this world have an obligation to try to help those who are less fortunate. It's a duty that we should all take seriously, and we should exercise this duty as a part of our commitment to God. I think this is what God wants from us, to try to be better people in terms of helping one another, whether you're from Jamaica, whatever country you're from, or whether you're even from the United States, to try to help people who are less fortunate than you are. So I accept this award. I would like to thank the JAHJAH Foundation. I will continue to do my best to try to help with the JAHJAH Foundation and with all the other people who I work with. And thank you.
One more. This is it.
Thank you.
Thank you.